Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve a capacitor circuit problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku. Our goal is to find the equivalent capacitance, C equivalent for the circuit. Okay, let's get started. So this is the problem statement. We need to determine the equivalent capacitance of a circuit that contains several capacitors arranged in both series and parallel configurations. You can see the circuit diagram here. Let's understand what we are working with. Okay, let's begin our analysis from the right end of the circuit. Notice that these two capacitors, that is 60 microfarad and the 120 microfarad, are connected in series. How do you actually identify some capacitors that are connected in series? The thing is, only one common connection between the capacitors and the same current flows through both the capacitors. Then we call them as the series capacitors. Now we are going to find the equivalence. So for finding the equivalence for these capacitors, we have a formula. So what is the formula? It is 1 by C equivalent, that is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So when you calculate it for 60 microfarad and 120 microfarad, we'll get the equivalent of 40 microfarad. Actually, how do we get it? So 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 120. Taking common denominator, it is 120 into 60, and in the numerator it is 120 plus 60. So we'll get it as 180 divided by 7200. So when you want to calculate the C equivalent, we have to take the inverse. So it is 7200 divided by 180. Then we'll get it as 40 microfarad. So the equivalent capacitance is 40 microfarad. This is the key result for the first step. Now we can replace those two capacitors by a single 40 microfarad capacitor, and we got the modified circuit like this. So after getting this modified circuit, we can find this 20 microfarad and 40 microfarad as parallel capacitors. And how do we say that these capacitors are in parallel? They are connected in parallel. Here you see this one node is common to both the capacitors and it is marked with the red color. And another node is also common to both and it is being marked with the green color. So when two nodes are common to these two capacitors, we say that they are in parallel connection. And the voltages across these two capacitors will be the same. What happens to the current? When the current I enters into this, they branches out as I1 current and I2 current separately. After that, they combine as I current again. Once you identify these two capacitors as parallel capacitors, the formula for calculating the equivalent capacitance is C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2. That is just the summation of these two capacitances. If you have n number of capacitances, then just you have to sum them up. So the equivalent is 20 plus 40, that is 60 microfarad. Now we can replace these two capacitors by a single 60 microfarad capacitor. So we got the modified circuit now. Then you come over here. Here we have these two capacitors 50 microfarad and 70 microfarad, which are connected in parallel. So we can sum them up and we'll get 120 microfarad. So we can replace these two capacitors with 120 microfarad. Now just you have only two capacitances, 120 microfarad and 60 microfarad, and they are connected in series. Yes. So in order to calculate the equivalent, you can put it like this: 120 into 60 divided by 120 plus 60, that is equal to 7200 divided by 180, that is equal to 40 microfarad. So we can replace this circuit by a modified circuit with the equivalent capacitance of 40 microfarad. Hence, we got the final answer, that is the C equivalent for the whole circuit, that is a simplified circuit we got. Thank you. Hope you have understood.